Leo, did you know that one awkward conversation could be worth $5,000?
$5,000. For just talking. Is it legal?
It is completely legal. It is called salary negotiation. And today, I will give you the exact script to get the money you deserve.
Sarah, I am looking at my bank account. It is very sad. It is crying.
Oh dear. Is it that bad, Leo?
Yes. My rent went up. My food is expensive. But my salary is the same as 2 years ago. Sarah, tell me the truth. How much money do you make? Is it a lot?
Leo. Stop. Shoo. We talked about this. Asking, how much do you make, is a big cultural taboo in the West. It makes people very uncomfortable.
I know. Taboo. But I am desperate. I need to ask my boss for more money. But I am scared he will fire me.
He won't fire you for asking, Leo. But he might say no if you ask the wrong way. Most people never ask, so they lose thousands of dollars in their lifetime. Listeners, are you like Leo? Do you feel underpaid but afraid to speak up? Today, we are going to build a complete strategy for your wallet. Before we start getting rich, hit the subscribe button. Consider it an investment. Click it to say, I value my work, and I am ready to be paid fairly. Done? Okay, Leo, let's fix your vocabulary first.
Okay. I usually say, I want more cash. Is that bad?
It is terrible. You sound like a gangster. We need professional words. First word, compensation.
Compensation. Is that just salary?
No, compensation is the total package. It includes your salary, insurance, bonuses, and vacation days. It is the big picture.
I see. Compensation package. Next word.
Next is market value. This is how much other companies pay for your job. You cannot ask for $1 million if the market value is only $50,000.
Market value. Okay. And what about negotiable? I see this in job ads.
Negotiable means the number is not fixed. You can discuss it. It is an invitation to talk. Now, Leo. Before you knock on your boss's door, you need to do your homework. You cannot just walk in and cry.
Homework. I hate homework.
You need to research. Go to websites like Glassdoor or Payscale. Find out what people in your position are making.
Okay. So if I know the market rate, I have power.
Exactly. Knowledge is power. And secondly, you need a list of your achievements. What did you do for the company last year?
I came to work on time.
That is not enough. Did you save money? Did you finish a big project? Did you help a customer? Write it down. Quick pause, listeners. I want you to be brave. Pause this audio and comment below, I am worth more. Manifest your success right now.
I am worth more. I am typing it in my head. Okay, let's practice the speaking part.
Let's practice the script. Listen and repeat. These are power phrases. Phrase 1, the opening. I would like.
I would like.
To schedule a time.
To schedule a time.
To review my compensation.
To review my compensation.
Full sentence. I would like to schedule a time to review my compensation.
I would like to schedule a time to review my compensation.
Phrase 2, the justification, lie do. Based on.
Based on.
My market research.
My market research.
And my recent performance.
And my recent performance.
Full sentence, based on my market research and my recent performance.
Based on my market research and my recent performance.
Phrase 3, the ask. I believe.
I believe.
A salary of.
A salary of.
X dollars is fair.
X dollars is fair.
Full sentence, I believe a salary of $50,000 is fair.
I believe a salary of $50,000 is fair. But Sarah, what if the boss says, no, we have no money? Then I look stupid.
This is where the magic happens. If they cannot give you money, ask for perks or benefits.
Perks. Like free coffee.
Better. Like working from home, more vacation days, or education budget. Money is not the only thing valuable.
Oh. I would love to work from home on Fridays. That saves me gas money.
Exactly. So if they say no to salary, you say, I understand the budget is tight. Could we discuss other benefits instead? Let's practice the pivot. When the boss says no. Phrase 1. I understand.
I understand.
The budget constraints.
The budget constraints.
Constraints means limits. Full sentence, I understand the budget constraints.
I understand the budget constraints.
Phrase 2. Could we explore?
Could we explore?
Flexible working hours?
Flexible working hours.
Full sentence, could we explore flexible working hours?
Could we explore flexible working hours?
Okay, Leo. It is showtime. I am your boss, Ms. Dragon. I am tough. I don't like spending money.
Ms. Dragon. Okay. I am ready. I have my research. I have my confidence.
Come in, Leo. Make it quick. I have a meeting in 5 minutes.
Knock knock. Good morning, Ms. Dragon. Thank you for seeing me. I would like to discuss my compensation package.
Your compensation? Leo, the economy is crashing. We are cutting costs. Is this really the right time?
I understand it is a difficult time. However, in the last year, I took over the marketing project and increased sales by 15%.
15%? That is true. You did a good job there.
Based on that performance, and the current market rate, I feel that my current salary is underpaid. I would like to request a 10% adjustment.
10%? Impossible. I can't do it. The budget is locked.
Inner voice. Okay Leo, don't panic. Pivot. Speaking. I understand the budget constraints, Ms. Dragon. If a salary increase is not possible now, could we explore other options? For example, I would value 2 extra remote work days per week.
Remote work? That doesn't cost me any money. And you are trustworthy.
Yes. It would help me focus and save commuting time.
Okay, Leo. No money raise. But you get your remote days. And we can review the salary again in 6 months. Deal?
Deal. Thank you, Ms. Dragon.
Cut. Leo, that was brilliant. You didn't get the cash, but you got the freedom. That is a win.
I feel great. I did not just accept no. I negotiated.
That is the spirit. Remember listeners, negotiation is a conversation, not a war. Be prepared, be polite, and be flexible.
And check your market value first.
Right. We hope this long episode gives you the courage to value yourself. You deserve it. If this guide helped you, please share it with your colleagues. Let's make our community more successful and wealthy.
Yes. Share it and subscribe. Good luck with your boss.
See you in the next episode. Keep learning.
Goodbye. I'm going to check my bank account now. Maybe it is happier.